Good morning, Saugus. I'm Nina Ripoll, and today is February 25th.
And I'm Cardan Watson. This is SNN.
For today's Fact of the Day, and continuing our celebration of Black History Month, we thought we'd tell you about Roberta Flack.
Roberta Flack was born on February 10, 1937 in Black Mountain, North Carolina. At just 15, Flack was classically trained on the piano and received a scholarship to attend Howard University in Washington, D.C. While singing in a nightclub in D.C., she was discovered by Les McCann and was signed to Atlantic Records.
Flack wrote many hits, such as Killing Me Softly with his song, The First Time I Ever Saw Your Face, and Where Is Love. She also founded the Roberta Flack School of Music at the Hyde Leadership Charter School in the Bronx, providing an innovative and inspiring music education program to underprivileged students free of charge.
Yesterday, on February 24th, Roberta Flack passed away at the age of 88. Her music will continue on, inspiring thousands of artists through her R&B influence. In honor of her death, we will be playing Roberta Flack's music today. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
5, 4, 3, 2.
The front gate, located directly in front of the office, will now be locked beginning at 4 p.m. when the administration office closes for the day. The pedestrian walk-through gate, located at the back of the parking lot near the blacktop, will remain open for any after-school sporting events or on-campus activities.
Students will still have access to exit through the Performing Arts Center gates and the pedestrian walk-through gates at the back of the parking lot for pickup after any on-campus event.
If you are a freshman, sophomore, or junior interested in taking REACH during the upcoming fall semester, applicants must have a 2.5 to 3.5 GPA and be interested in attending a four-year college or university. If you are interested, scan the QR code for the link to apply.
Now let's go to Colleen Westcott with this week's ASB Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Colleen Westcott with this week's ASB Minute. The ASB store will be closed tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday this week, so if you need to purchase anything, please do so today. Make sure to stop by the outdoor stage at brunch on Friday to watch some arm wrestling. If you want to participate, feel free to find an opponent and walk right on stage. That's all from me. Now let's go to Connor Van Gessel with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Colleen. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Connor Van Gessel. Today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, Frosh Baseball competes in the Easton Tourney. Boys Volleyball plays Quartz Hill at Saugus. JV plays at 3:30 and Varsity plays at 5. Also today, Varsity Boys Tennis plays Moore Park at Arroyo Vista Community Park. The game starts at 3. Boys Golf plays Almany at Encino. Varsity plays at 3:15. Also today, Girls Lacrosse plays San Marcos at Saugus. Varsity plays at 3 and JV plays at 4:30. Swim and Dive competes in the Ventura High School meet at the Santa Clarita Aquatic Center. Dive starts at 2:30 and swim starts at 3. Tomorrow, baseball competes in the Easton Tourney. Boys Lacrosse plays Castaic at Castaic. Varsity plays at 3 and JV plays at 5. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. That's all for me. In honor of National Potato Lovers Month, let's go to Holden Smith with our second edition of Cooking with Potatoes, French Fries.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Holden Smith. This is Cooking with SNN. Today, we're making French fries. It's a simple and easy, delicious recipe. The ingredients you'll need are 1 potato for every serving of fries. peanut oil to fill your choice of pot halfway, and salt to taste. Let's begin. Remember to always start by washing your hands with soap and warm water. Now, peel your desired amount of potatoes and cut into your desired fry shape. We'll just be doing standard cut today. Other options include curly, crinkle, shoe, or steak. Next, take your fries and put them into a bowl of ice cold water for 2 hours. This helps remove all of the starch contents from the fries. When 2 hours is almost up, get your oil ready and bring it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. When this is done, strain your fries and dry them thoroughly to ensure the best product. Now, take your fries and put them into your pot of hot oil. If you're using more than one potato, make sure not to overcrowd the pot. Each fry should have plenty of space. Cook for 5 minutes until a golden color and flimsy. After each patch, pat dry gently but thoroughly so they don't break. Once all are done, bring your heat up to 400 degrees and start cooking each batch for 2 to 3 minutes or until a golden red color. After each batch, salt to taste and enjoy. This is an easy meal to make with a hard, crunchy outside and a soft, fluffy inside. This has been Holden Smith cooking with SNN.
Thanks, Holden. Those crispy, crunchy, salty French fries look delicious, don't they, Cardan?
That they do.
Lit Mag is accepting submissions of drawings, paintings, collages, digital art, poetry, short stories, and photography to the 2024-2025 Literary Magazine. To submit your art, you must pick up a submission form in room P1606. Submissions are due by March 21st.
Seniors, the American Public Works Association is offering scholarships to seniors pursuing a career in civil engineering or public works related to engineering fields. Up to 10 scholarships worth up to $2,500 will be awarded. To apply, pick up an application in the counseling office. Applications are due March 14th.
The San Fernando Valley Deltas is offering a $5,000 scholarship to an African American student. Applicants must have a cumulative GPA of 2.75 or higher and will compete based on their leadership abilities and academic performance. Applications can be found in the senior Google Classroom or picked up in the counseling office and are due Monday, March 17th.
Seniors, you can now submit photos and videos to this year's Senior Slideshow. Senior Slideshow is a highlight reel of memorable moments you seniors submit from any point throughout your childhood and high school life. Pictures or videos can be submitted to our email or Instagram listed below. Slideshows are available for purchase in the ASB office or on the ASB web store for $15.
That's all for today. I'm Nina Ripoll. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Cardan Watson. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.